Want to learn about intermittent fasting but not sure where to start? Watch this video for my super simple step-by-step guide. For the best brain health solutions, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Tuesday. Why intermittent fasting and how do I start? The way intermittent fasting works is that you use your fast from sleeping and you extend it. So you can extend it in either direction. You could extend it at the before you go to sleep, and then you can extend it after you wake up. Go to sleep midnight. You sleep until 8 a.m. So there's your 8 hours already. Then you can fast for 2 to 4 hours or even longer, and then you break your fast. So let's say you fast for 4 hours. You break your fast at noon. Then you have your first meal of the day. And when you're eating, you want to make sure that you are eating healthy food. You don't want to be consuming sugars or heavily processed foods. Before you go to sleep at night, you want to make sure you stop eating at a certain time. So for example, you stop eating at 8 p.m. and then you go to bed at midnight. This way, you've fasted a total of 16 hours. And in the middle of that, between noon and 8 p.m., you had 8-hour feeding time. What's your most favorite healthy food? Comment below and let us know. Let's share some ideas of different healthy foods we can get started with today. Like I had mentioned earlier, you want to eat healthier types of foods. I would stick to proteins and produce to start with. You can start incorporating some starches in, that would be fine. Sometimes having a healthy starch like a potato or even white rice is okay to have during your feeding time. You just don't want to have anything heavily laden with sugar. And I would definitely stay away from wheat. Most of our wheat and grains are heavily processed and they're not really healthy for us anymore. So I would stay away from corn and wheat and most grains other than white rice. Now you know exactly how to begin intermittent fasting, but what else can you do to become your best self? I've created a free checklist of 7 quick and simple steps to eliminate brain fog, restore focus, and transform your health. Join me and a community of women just like you. I have a secret society where I share up-to-date health and wellness advice to help you navigate the sometimes tricky waters in learning what foods and products are safe and which ones are not. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And comment below with "it helped" if this video helped you.